It's the Yogi MD Toolbox.
Toolbox, Yogi MD 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 Toolbox, Yogi MD.
Hi, I'm Nadine, also known as the Yogi MD, here to make yoga a simple part of your routine at home every day. Today, the tip is about your yoga strap. Do you struggle with shoulders hunching forward and poor posture leading to pain in your shoulders, neck aches, and headaches? Well, this is one of my favorite ways to remind my body to stay up in the correct posture, and also a pose that I will use sometimes for 5 to 10 minute relaxation in my chair. So you need a long strap. It's got to be either 8 foot like this one is or 10 foot. You start by folding the strap in half. Excuse the clinking. And then you want to make sure that there's an even amount of strap on both sides. The strap is very high up underneath your armpits, snug, okay, around your body. Then, what we're going to do like a backpack. The next move would be to flip the strap over each shoulder and make sure that it's smooth and snug. No wrinkles. And the strap is going to drape over my back. The next thing to do is to grab onto both ends of the strap, cross them over to make an X. Then we bring the strap around the sides, and if it's long enough, you might even be able to be hands-free and just thread the strap through once, then twice under the loop so that you can be hands-free. Or you can alternately just hold on to the strap on either side. And from this position, it's super relaxing. Right here on these pressure points to relieve tension, I can just sit back in my chair and just focus on breathing and melting my tension away. Thanks for being here on another episode of the Yogi MD Toolbox. I'll see you next time.
Yogi MD Toolbox, 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 Yogi MD Toolbox.
It's the Yogi MD Toolbox.